and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the showstopper, Shruti Sharma. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the jewelry partner Golden Jewels by Ayushi Shah.
Thank you so much, first of all, for having me here. And I'm really grateful because this is my first ramp walk of my life. And I'm actually happy and grateful that I got to walk, like, I got the opportunity to complete my first ramp walk in such a glorious and outstanding and royal outfit. Thank you so much, Tina, for that.
You look really well.
And I
You
was
did really
super
well.
nervous.
I could see that. But she was amazing. She like there are a lot of flaws, but still she managed. I'm so happy. Sorry? So this outfit is very close to my heart. I wore this outfit at red carpet at Cannes, and this has my entire heart, my entire creativity, the love for my India. So this is really close to my heart, and I really wanted a beautiful person to wear it and do the justice, and she's the one. She did it. I'm just in love with the way she
I'm
took
really
it.
grateful. And if we talk, I think the part which I really loved about the outfit was the detailings of the blouse. Like if you see, there are peacocks and everything, and there are tiny details of the beads. You need to tell
Okay.
something about the blouse.
So I'm Radha Rani's lover. Like I love Radha Rani. So I took my Radha Rani at Cannes so that she can be with me. I can feel comfortable. I can be calm, patient, with more confidence. So yeah, she was with me there. So you can imagine like how beautiful this outfit is.
Yeah, and I think today Radha Rani was with me as well. So thank you.
Yeah, exactly. You're very right. They have the longest head, and it is like really difficult to maintain the walk because you have to smile, you have to look at the people, you have to greet them, you have to do eye contact with people, and such a long ramp, it is a task. But I think it is again a thing like you can spend more and more time there because you are doing so much hard work backstage, and when you are getting your space, I think I would love to spend more and more time there. So I'm really loving the ramp. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Like I
you.
said, this was
Thank
my
you.
first ramp walk, and I think I got to start with the longest ramp I have ever seen. So I think I'm ready for my next walks now.
Ah.
I'm totally trained today. Oh, thank you. I'm so grateful that I could do some justice.
No,
So
it was absolutely the way I wanted.
I'm so grateful for that. founder of GICW. Sweet. Hello.
Hi. Hi Satya.
Satya, what do you
बहुत
have to say?
amazing.
We have beautiful Manisha and
टीना ही बताएंगे कैसे लगा कि फर्स्ट टाइम यू डू शो
नहीं, obviously we are working for the first time. This is my first GICW and I'm really loving. Everything is so organized. Like people are really keen to understand like what is GICW, and I think after this show I can tell people like after I mean this is one of the best show in the India. So be there, and I think GICW is working really amazing. The stylist, the choreographer, show director, everybody is giving their heart and soul. So I'm really loving the way it is.
and thank you for having me. Thank you so much. It was
Thank you.
Sure.
I'm here for Gagan, and two of my friends are walking the ramp, Shiv and Divya, and my very close friend Akshay is also comparing, so I had to come. And very excited to see the designs. Very amazing collection. Whatever I know of Gagan, he's always good at it. So it'll be fun watching him. You know, when I started my career in the South film industry, I had launched the Lakme Fashion Week there in Hyderabad and walked the ramp. It was a feeling of conquering the world, you know, walking on the ramp with your confidence, with your elegance, with your power, with your identity is like literally a superstar feeling. So I really wish to walk the ramp someday. Thank you.
wait, Nyra ji, wait. हे मोबाईल साईडला कर ना. इकडे दोन नायरा जी यहाँ पे
Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू नायरा जी. Wait. चलो भैया.
दीदी मैम सामने आइए. मैम सामने आइए.
Back to front. क्लियर है. थैंक यू. सेटिंग है
थैंक यू.
Start.
क्या कहना चाहोगे अपने आउटफिट के बारे में एंड आज के शो के बारे में? हाउ एक्साइटेड?
So today I'm wearing Gagan Kumar. So Gagan वैसे तो मुझे एक साड़ी देने वाला था, but I think I look more good in a लहंगा. और मैंने उसको स्पेशली बोला था कि मेरे लिए तू लहंगा ही निकालेगा, एंड स्पेशली उसने लास्ट मोमेंट मेरे लिए आउटफिट निकाला. एंड here I am. बताओ कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं.
कैसा रहने वाला है ये शो? क्या प्रिपरेशन?
So actually the theme is totally white. And the best part, मुझे white color is the most attractive color to me because it shows peace and वो एक शांति और peace का एक message देता है. So here is an important impact कि गगन की पूरी theme white और pearls के ऊपर है. So that's the amazing part.
तो लास्टली अगर इस टैग को अगर आपको पर्सनल लाइफ में कहीं यूज़ करना हो तो आप कौन से फेस्टिवल या एनीथिंग कहीं यूज़ करना चाहोगे?
ऑनेस्टली मैं वाइट कलर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेफर करती हूँ बट मैं अपने नवरात्रि में यूज़ कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज गरबा में आप पे ये कलर बहुत अच्छा लगता है और आप दिवाली पे पहन सकते हो. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फेस्टिवल सीजन हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे. हम वैसे भी फेस्टिव सीजन में चीज़ें करते हैं. तो या थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.
मैम एक बार और
थोड़ा डिफरेंट है बट फैशन always engages me, so that is the reason why I'm here. Gagan Kumar जो है वो he's gonna showcase his designs. Then there is Renu Tandon, Nikita Tandon, they're also there. I'm sure काफ़ी अच्छे डिज़ाइन और कलेक्शंस देखने को मिलेंगे. I'm very very excited and of course friends and all के साथ मिलना हो जाता है. So I love that part too. अभी तो मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है बिकॉज मैं तो गई ही नहीं हूँ अंदर. सो आई रियली डोंट नो. So definitely I'm gonna go inside, experience it and then share it with you guys. आप सबको मिलके अच्छा लगा. Thank you very much. Divya is my friend. Divya is a very dear friend and वो तो धमाल ही मचाएगी. I'm sure राम पे जब आएगी तो. She's also very gorgeous, very pretty looking, very nice aura she has and I really really like her a lot. So I'm definitely going to hoot for her, for sure. Thank you. Huh? Big Boss? Big Boss में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. आई थिंक जेनरेशन और ट्रेडिशन के ऊपर लड़ाइयाँ चल रही हैं आजकल. वैल्यू सिस्टम को लेके चल रही हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट बिग बॉस 19 इज़ ऑल अबाउट अभी. इट्स मॉडर्निटी vs value system, traditionalism, which is expressed by Kunika ma'am, and then modernity comes from Ashnoor. So I think it's modernity vs traditionalism जो हमको देखने को मिल रहा है. And of course Ashnoor being representing the youth, तो डेफिनेटली यूथ एक रियलिटी शो में कैसा है वो देखने को मिलेगा हमको. एंड जीशान जी एंड कुनिका मैम वो दोनों बड़े हैं तो घर के अंदर तो उनका अच्छा लग रहा है जिस तरीके से वो दोनों एक दूसरे को कभी कभी सपोर्ट करते हैं. एंड शेजान बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. शहनाज भी जब आई थी बिग बॉस के अंदर तो सबको अच्छी लगी थी बिकॉज वो बहुत रॉ है और बहुत चर्पी है. शेजान भी बहुत फ्रेंडली है. कॉमेडी उसका टाइमिंग बहुत अच्छा है. आई थिंक एज अ दर्शक शेजान को देखने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. बहुत अच्छा है. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. शुरू